morning. It's another beautiful day. Thank you all so much for being here this morning. We're going to continue our project that Charles is doing right now. He's building a bar and he is working now on the second piece of the rounded bar. There's two ends and the ends are rounded. So you saw how he did the first one. The second one will be a repeat of what he did. He is working on the second part, so hopefully we can get this all together and finish it up today so I can show you so hopefully I can show you the finished product. But let's go over here now to Charles. So good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so you're working now on the second end of the bar. Okay, guys. So he's now starting to work. He just put that piece there on, and he has to cut out some other pieces now to go around the side. So I will show you as the day goes on. Okay guys, I tell you, it's a beautiful morning. We're starting to work. I have the whole family today. Ashley and her sister is here. Her sister is over there. She don't like being on the camera, so I'm not gonna make her be on the camera. But Ashley is setting up. We're gonna be painting this part of the bar today. We have an umbrella out here. This is one of Ashley's umbrellas to kind of keep the sun out of her head a little bit. She has her fan set up. She's a working girl. And the bar. Oh well, there goes the fan. It's still working, but it fell. So we have to figure out a better way to put this fan.
You don't need the fan.
Yeah, it's too hot. I don't think you need a fan.
Listen, how y'all gonna tell me what I need? I'm hot.
Well, it's gonna keep going down.
That's not going right. It's gonna blow down.
Okay, we're trying with this fan, guys, because it's hot. When I say hot, it is hot. But Ashley's determined. Okay.
All right,
So Amanda just had her breakfast, and she's ready to go.
Slap me a chair. It's our sandwich.
So the girls are doing that part over there. I'll show you as I go along what they're doing. And Charles is still here. Charles is trying to put this other section together.
Like this.
With this strip at the top, one is going to go to the bottom. Amanda, you're going to start doing what? You're going to start sanding? So Amanda's going to start sanding this part over here. She's going to be sanding that. Ashley's putting another strip, a strip like that to the bottom. Amanda just stood up, so she's sanding. Okay, Ashley is marking out where she's going to put the strip. Ashley just drew her lines. I don't know if you can see the lines across for where she's going to put the strips. And Amanda's going to continue sanding.
Over my side. Mom?
Yeah.
Can you come hold it in the middle?
Yes, I'll hold it. Gotta go help. Okay guys, so the bottom trim is on, as you can see. So now, Ashley's going to put 3 squares right in the center.
You gotta leave at least 4 inches of space between the bottom one and the red border.
4 inches?
Yes. For it to look uniform and look good, you gotta leave at least 4 inches below the red border.
Why 4 inches?
Huh?
Why 4 inches?
Because it's gonna look better. If you put it too close, it's gonna look too jumbled up.
Unless, wait.
4.5 inches of space.
We're not having them flush with the end of the bar, though, are we?
Right.
No.
No.
Oh, okay. Wait,
But with 4.5 inches of space on each side, they'd start here and end here.
That would be perfect.
I think that looks good.
Oh, I was doing
That
it this
would
way, but that's fine. I was doing it this way.
Oh, well, this worked out
Because
good.
the whole thing you said is 72?
Yeah.
Okay. I was saying also 4.5, so think about that same distance that you have between the squares, or do you want it bigger?
Could you roll that umbrella more towards you?
Okay.
It's actually like the sun is moving and it's...
You could do 13 inches for the squares themselves.
So if I do
So
4.5 here,
and then
and
add
then this would
13
be,
inches.
Okay, so hold on, 4.5.
Here, let me hold the
And then
thing
this
for
would
you.
be 1, 2, 3,
Hold that for me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So
So that'd be 1. The end of 1.
start at the 4.5 and go to 13.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That'd be
11,
17 and a
12,
half if you had to come across the
17 and a half.
17 and a half right there would be 4.5 inches on the side and a 13-inch square. And then if you do 4.5 inches again, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4.5, so that's there.
And then the next one would start from there.
And then, so that'd be 1, 2,
12 plus 13 is 25.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh, I thought you were at 12.
12, 13. So this is where the next square would end. Basically be like here. And then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4.5.
Wait, so then this is more than 7. You told me 72 inches.
It is 72 inches.
Across?
Pull it all the way across.
The other man is here.
Oh.
Oh, more help.
72 inches.
That's her already?
I didn't know
wait.
she was coming.
I didn't think
So
she'd
I'm
be here
confused.
this early.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're working out the calculations. We're working on the calculations because there's going to be squares in the back, so you need to make sure that they're all even up. So that's what girls are working on the calculations.
Wait, why don't we get a piece of paper?
You take off 9 to have 4.5 in between each panel, then that leaves 12 inches
No,
per
so
panel.
they'd be more than 9 because it would be 4.5. So this is the
Right, well that's why I
4.5
took,
between this one and this one. That's 1.
hold on, well what I did first, I
2,
took the 4.5
3.
on each end first.
Right, that's 9.
So I took away from the whole thing
Yeah.
of 72, that's 9, that left 63, right? If you break 63 into 3 to have 3 panels, that's 21 each. But you have to have the space in between the panels. So I did another 4.5, 4.5, which
You
is,
should do 3 4.5s.
no, because I took off this already. That was at the beginning. Panel here, 4.5. Panel here, 4.5. Panel there, I already took off that end.
Oh,
At the
okay, wait.
beginning.
So let me see the pen real quick.
Okay, guys.
No.
I'm not going to bore you with the calculations. I'll just show you when it's all done. We have our umbrella here. The girls have the umbrella there, keeping the sun, and they're doing the calculations. So I'll be back when they're all done.
We can do less than 4.
Guys, I don't know if you can see the lines on here. Ashley just marked out her lines and cut out her lines.
So 45-degree angle, which is this one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
And that's 18 inches on that line. So I guess I'm supposed to start maybe at the tip of the line.
I would say so. That's not the tip.
Well, yeah.
And some fruits and drinks here. So now I'm gonna feed everybody, guys. Everybody's been working hard and they're tired and hungry. So now I'm gonna feed everybody. Amanda has started painting. Yeah. Guys, we're here finishing up. We were trying to do as much as we can because it's needed for an event tomorrow. But it is getting late, so this is as far as we have gotten. But we're gonna continue to work a little bit later to complete it for this event. So let me show you what we've done so far. As you see, the end pieces are on. It's
Huh?
painted white. We still have some stuff to do on
Which caulking?
in there.
That you just put in there?
Yeah.
No, it's too you can't work.
We have to paint this section right here, have to be painted. And it's almost done. There's still some work that have to be done over here. Shelves has to be put in there. And shelves have to be put over here. You see, shelves have to be put over there, as well as on the other side, but it's too late. We're not going to do that now. We're going to leave that for another day. But this is what teamwork, right, guys? We're team. We all did, you know, of course, Charles did the majority of the work. He worked really hard. Ashley and Amanda were here all day, and they worked really hard with the painting and all these different little things that they did.
I thought it was already
So guys, I am going to sign off now. I'm going to say good night. Tomorrow's another day, so this video will continue. But guys, we had fun working together as a team. It's a lot of work. We still have a lot to do, but we will continue working, and I will show you the finished results as soon as we're all done. Until next time, bye-bye.